Cyfle di fethu, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni well tîm hanner cynta. A wedyn yr ail hanner oedd hi'n gêm chdi bach yn bo man, dwi'n meddwl oedd y bel dim disgyn i'r rhain canol o falle, ond dyfan nhw'n gymryd pwynt, achos da ni jyst yn trio gweithio yn y ffordd i fyny y tabl wan, so yeah, gymryd ni pwynt.
So any precious point or an opportunity missed?
Oh, I think coming away at Caernarfon is always a difficult place, and you know, the pitch is tough today. Caernarfon want to get the ball down and play, and it didn't really allow you to do that today. So tough game, tough conditions, and you know, yeah, we had a couple more chances maybe than Caernarfon, but I think a draw is a fair result.
Rich, pwynt gwerthfawr neu cyfle wedi fethu?
Swn i feddwl pwynt gwerthfawr mwy iddyn nhw, swn i ddweud. Mae'n siŵr yn oed iddyn nhw dod yma peidio colli, so mae'n siŵr bydden nhw'n hapusach na ni efo'r pwynt. Dwi'n meddwl sa'n ni wedi sgorio gyntaf, sa'n ni gallu bod yn gêm mwy agorad lly, ond oedden nhw'n reit content i kind of eista fewn ac absorbio be oedden nhw eich at nhw. Gathen ni couple of chances, a di gallu mynd, ond probably ar ôl bob dim a fair result.
You're comfortable in third position.
I wouldn't say I'm comfortable in third.
You've got a 7-point gap now to Cardiff Met. Is that realistically where you're likely to end up?
Yeah, I think, you know, Penabont were 10 points ahead of us, and you know they're a very good side. Everybody in the top six are a good side, so you know, having a draw here today has stopped Caernarfon getting close to us. Met have won, so obviously when they play us next now, they'll look at that thinking they can close the gap if they beat us. So it's going to go all the way, really. You know, it's only a couple of games difference. I think our goal difference will help us as well. You know, that's better than Caernarfon's and Cardiff Met. So hopefully that stays that way. But all we can do is take one game at a time. You know, we've picked up a couple of bookings today, which means those lads are suspended. So it's that time of season where boys are getting their 5th bookings, and after 20-odd games, you're going to pick bookings up, and other teams are having it, and we're having it as well now. So that's what our squad's for. You know, we've got players on the bench who want to play. I expect them that they want to play, and you know, that's what the squad's for, to make sure that everybody's ready when the time comes, the opportunities come and they have to take them.
Oedd o'n un o hynna, da ni wedi bod chwarae dda diweddar, a probably mae siwtio nhw hefyd i fod mwy ar 3G o y cae, mae'n gret heddiw. Dim byd yn erbyn y cae, lly, just fel afor tywydd o bod ddim lly. So, dau dîm sy'n wicio chwarae fo arfer, a wedyn o'n siwtio'r steil efo'r cae chwarae. So, ia, mae'n bwynt eto, da ni'n penderfynu y gêm yn heb golli, so mae'n lot o bositif sy'n gymryd o'n fyd.
Buddigoliaeth Met heddiw yn golygu bod chi'n disgyn un safle digwydd bod. Mae'r gemau i gyd yn mynd i fod yn anodd o'n dyn.
O, yndi, bob un gêm, da ni'n gwybod yna. Da ni 4 gêm wan heb golli, so dwi'n meddwl bod ni'n dechrau dangos bod ni'n well yn y cefn y falle wan. Dwi'n meddwl bod ni jyst ha'n cymryd chances ni gathon ni ar ail hanner o'n wan, dwi'n meddwl sy'n wedi gallu neud 2 gol i 1, ond da ni'n gwneud y dda, dwi'n meddwl.